Hello friends, welcome back to Motor Beast. Friends, the first video in our channel comes with a new MPV electric vehicle which is going to be launched in our India soonly. The vehicle name called as BYD electric vehicle. The BYD stands for Build Your Dreams. So friends, before entering the video, who have newly visited our channel, please supporting by pressing the subscribe button for more videos in your notifications. The new BYD electric MPV India launch prices at Rs 29,06,000 rupees ex-showroom. Coming to the range of this BYD electric MPV, 520 km at full charge. A Chinese electric car maker, BYD has made an official entry in India passenger car space by launching an official MPV. A BYD E6 happened to be an electric MPV which it has launched for the B2B market and has kept its pricing at Rs 29,06,000 rupees ex-showroom. The E6 is powered by 17.7 kW blade battery which can be provide a city range of 520 km and combined range of 415 km per charge. These numbers are truly astronomical. When compared to the EVs which are currently on offer in India, the E6 dishes out power with 70 kW electric motor which can be crunch out 18 Nm of torque. Helps with the MPV to reach top speed in this electric vehicle 130 km per hour. BYD electric MPV in India. A new BYD electric MPV supports both AC and DC fast charging. The DC fast charging a battery from 30% to 80% in just 35 minutes. The BYD claims that its blade battery is extremely reliable and safe. It has passed extreme test conditions like nail penetration test, heating in furnace to 300 degrees Celsius, overcharging by 260 degrees percentage and also crunching the battery, bending the battery. The MPV also gets regenerative braking and its system allows it start to regenerating energy from low as 2 km per hour. Coming to the designs and features of the vehicle, the all new E6 happens to be a future loaded product. It gets LED DRLs, LED tail lamps, leather seats, 6-way adjustable driver and front passenger seats, 10.1-inch rotatable touchscreen, infotainment system and CN95 air filtration system, rear view camera, speed sensing, auto locks and also much more. So friends, now let's talk about the BYD electric MPV pricing and warranty. The all new E6 will be available in selected cities including like Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, Kochi, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, Vijayawada, etc. The ex-showroom price which comes with 7 kW charging stands at Rs 29.6 lakhs. Without charger, the MPV can be purchased at Rs 29.15 lakhs. A BYD brand in India is working upon strengthening its dealers network in these cities. Friends, now let's talk about the warranty of the vehicle. BYD is offering a vehicle warranty of 3 years or else 1.25 lakhs kilometers, whereas in early battery cell warranty is coming from 8 years or 5 lakhs kilometers, which is earlierly a traction motor warranty comes with 8 years or 1.5 lakhs kilometer. As of now, there is no direct rival to the BYD E6 in the Indian market. There is no all-electric MPV which is currently on sale. In the B2B electric market, it is majorly Tata Motors which dominates with the range of electric vehicles. The lack of a similar size MPV in Tata's stable removes possibility of a potential launch of an EV version of its extending model in the foreseeable future. Friends, now let's talk about the safety features of the vehicle. Speaking on the launch of the new model, Mr. Srirangi Joshi, the sale head of electric passenger vehicle of BYD Indian Private Limited, said that we are extremely happy to finally bring our global tested all new E6 to the Indian market. Focusing on the safety, reliability, interior space as well as economic viability, we feel that the all new E6 will be hit in the Indian B2B market. We have also focused on improving the driving experience with some of the best in-class features. Both in terms of driving comfort and interior features, the total cost of ownership will be the tremendously benefits our customers and the segment. Overall, thrilled to be a part in India's EV revolution. We will roll out more products range in the future. So friends, by listening the Joshi's words, we can expect that more cars from the BYD is coming in our India in future. And also Mr. Ketu Zahang, the executive director of BYD Indian Private Limited, added, "We are delighted to launch all new E6 to achieve India's electric revolution goals with our program Green Technology. We believe this could be an perfect and strategical time for BYD in India to surge in key markets across in India. We strive to surpass local competitors' expectations, and I am confident that all new E6 and more products portfolio in the future will be certainly achieves this." So friends, finally let's talk about the BYD. In case you have heard about the BYD in the past, BYD stands for, as if I said in the starting, Build Your Dreams, and in China based multinational high-tech company which is presented in sectors related to the mobility. It was founded in 1995 and also have received substantial financial backing from Warren Buffett. The Indian arm of the organization was established in the March 7th and currently has 2 factories, and the main factory is in the New Delhi. BYD electric buses are already part of many states' public transport field. BYD had also launched an electric minivan back in 2019 in India. So friends, overall this is a story about the all new upcoming about BYD, Build Your Dreams. So if you really like the video, please hit like button and share to your friends, very helpful information. And if you're still not subscribed to Auto Wheels, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Our regular videos will get your notification. Thank you so much for watching guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. Wear the mask, use the sanitizer regularly with the social distance.